Thomas about to face the first delivery. Oh, it's a wide, and it's a big wide. It's gone past the keeper as well. These conditions and learn. Meet some mates as well that they'll have for life, I would presume also, which is an important part of it. Know more about their own game. Bowled him. One thing I guess you shouldn't do is back away and try and hit him over the covers for 4. There's a lesson.
And credit to the field setting. All the fielders from on the off stump were inside the circle. He was bringing the ball in. That's where George Thomas wanted to hit him. He has been really good on the offside, gave himself room, but the pace and the angle, and that's the breakthrough you're talking about. George Thomas trying to play the muscle it to the offside, fails, and Ali Naseer, with the bat, he brought the team into the match again, and with the ball, this is a big wicket. Mardan will be tested now.
Now, these two guys have had really good partnerships, Thomas and... it's like a nice and organised technique as well from Shazib. Strong shot. You cannot play shots like that unless the track is really good. Beautifully played.
This is what George Thomas wanted to play, but he made too much room. This time, Ollie Cox on it. Fast hands, good head position, good balance. Look at that. Slight weight transfer right from the middle of the bat.
Oh, he's hit that up. Just as I'm talking about his technique, he's hit it straight up and down. He should be gone. He is gone. That's a second one for the Hunters. That's important.
He goes very deep in the crease, wanted to get elevation, but he was away from the ball. A very good catch by Zubair. Ollie Cox has to walk back for 5. Mardan Warriors 21 for 2.
Does that nice and easily on the leg side just to get off the mark and to get down the other end. I think it's fair to say the wickets that we've seen so far, both of them, Thomas and the last to go, that of Cox, have both been irresponsible, maybe, is that the right word? Perhaps a little bit adventurous is a better description.
Especially this one, he had a boundary of the previous ball, but yes, in the power play you want to dominate. But Ali Naseer, what a night he is having. 50, 2 wickets, still bowling.
Signalling to his partner. That's nicely played. To the result, third over gone, 24 for 2. Good running. Trusting his partner, backing his call as well, and down the other end to get the strike.
That's the wicket of Ollie Cox. He played it a little early. Ball went up in the air, and Mohammad Zubair, commitment from him, got hit by the ball. Good fielding, good bowling so far.
White ball against a dark sky. You've got no reference points, if you like, and the ball just tends to come a little bit quicker. Nice and fine. Didn't need that. Sliding to the leg side.
Just about when they were really bowling well, a change of pace. Ali Naseer tried a slower one, but it drifted down the leg side of Shazib, and he did well to connect it. 4 runs, important 4 runs.
Oh, that's superbly played. Abbas has just whipped that away on the leg side for 4. That's the last thing that Naseer wanted.
And this is where the captain has to be careful. This player made a 50, and now he's bowling the 3rd over. He looks tired. He's not hitting the length where he wants to hit. 3 overs on a row when he had batted for 63-run partnership.
Last ball of the over. Great catch. Goodness me, what a grab. It's been one of the highlights of this tournament. The wicket keeping has been quite sensational so far.
And Saad Beg makes me take my words back. Another wicket. So he was right in keeping Ali Naseer onto the bowling. Big wicket of the captain. An excellent take by Saad Beg. Look at that. The captain making no mistake there. Ali Naseer getting another breakthrough for his team. Abbas Ali has to walk back for 7. Mardan 37 for 3.
Yeah, if he can keep it down to 6, I think that'll be a remarkable performance at this stage. Oh, that's a clever shot. That's a very clever shot indeed. Considering the fact that he was anticipating it to be straighter and at the body and looked to go leg side initially and had to alter and go offside, that's a fine stroke.
Haseeb Khan is playing a beautiful innings. Just look at that. He moved across the stumps to the offside, used that ramp really well. Almost hit the maximum, but it landed inside, so just 4 runs added.
Nothing off the previous delivery. Slow ball again, it's hit up beautifully. Hit up very hard indeed, that's good fielding. Can they come back for the second? Yep, good running.
Excellent fielding there. It was hit really hard. The crowd is backing the Mardan Warriors, it seems. It was shot, there to be hit, pulled really well.
Fine leg inside the circle, third man is back. He's hit that high. Could be out, should be out. Isn't out. And 4 runs.
And you can see the frustration. Arbaz Khan, who batted well, but this time couldn't hold onto the catch. This is a big drop in the context of the game. It's a big wicket of Haseeb Khan and 4 crucial runs. Did everything right. He came under the ball, the hands were up, but couldn't watch it till the end into his hands. Ali Naseer not happy.
Should still be 12 runs and 8 balls with only 3 wickets in hand. It's not though. Crunch. Takes him to 49 now. Just the one. So 12 runs off the over. Unfortunately, a catch going down for the Hunters. 123 for 6.